patapos ang event at tapos na kami kumain.
Thank you very much, Finger Six Strings Guitarist. Thank you very much for that wonderful song. It actually takes us back from the, from the old, what do you call it, jam. Yung mga inumang, ganyan yung mga inuman ng mga kanto dati, di ba? Hindi naman po tayo lasinggero, no? Hanggang gitara lang po talaga tayo. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now, to entertain us more, let's call on Zaini and Derwin to give us a bachata dance.
Oh, bachata. Bachata dance.
Kahit saan man mapunta ay aning umuwi, kumakapit sa aking kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahan umiinom ng buhay mo. Hindi na
And please welcome the man behind this glamorous collection, the legendary Mr. Hill Concepcion.
Bakit hindi ka nakilaw? Pinuto na ko ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko.
And to present the bouquet of flower, let's call on Malu of Titas in Town.
Gabi, wala nakikita. Hapos mo'y
Once again, the final look of Mr. Obra himself, Hill Concepcion.
bakit hindi.
A round of applause for Mr. Hill Concepcion. Congratulations, Mr. Obra Hill Concepcion. And once again, happy birthday!
Yay! Ko Idol, anong masasabi mo? Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much sa
Thank-
pag-attend mo sa aking birthday. And more power sa yung YouTube channel.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Pete, sa
much.
KLTV Idol. Thank you. And punta ako sa yung open sa yung coffee.
Coffee.
Thank you, Idol. Happy birthday again. This is PH to KLTV. Thank you for watching. Be safe.